Howdy viewers, welcome to Howdy A8. I'm Adam, and we're going to do some unboxing today. All the bits and pieces that we've ordered to give Klaus a tune-up. We ordered these quite a while ago, so I actually can't even remember what we have in here. So let's take a trip through. Now, obviously spark plugs. I'm going to save you the pain of unboxing each one, obviously. A couple of fuses, some fuel injector cleaner, and then what have we got? So one oil filter. What is in here? Ooh. These are nice fresh replacement mirrors. Now, if you watched the previous video, you will have seen that the ones on the car are horribly tinted a purpley brown color. So these will just clip on nice and easily, and that's a nice quick fix. Put those aside. Now, is there anything in here? What could it be? This is the hood release cable. If you remember from the previous video, we had that lovely MacGyvered, I don't even know if it counts as MacGyver, it's so bad, but the hood release catch. Out the way. Now, we have a whole load of bits and pieces in here from FCP Europe. What have we got? Look at all of the goodness.
That looks cool.
I suspect this is a coil. One brand new coil. Now, obviously we have 8 of those. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 coils. What have we here? Fuel filter. Put that back in this box. This, I suspect, is a filter of sorts. Please excuse the gloves, it's pretty chilly.
It's freaking freezing. Nothing chilly about today. Freezing.
Quite nipply.
See, very nipply. Are you nipply, Adam?
I am nipply. This is our cabin air filter.
Such a weird design, hey? I mean, compared to the rest of them, it's just such an odd design.
Yeah. Ooh, it came with a glove.
Someone wants to talk to you quite badly.
It's the missus. I better not ignore it again. That is a valve cover gasket. Nice and squishy as it should be, not hard and plasticky like the existing ones probably are.
It's weird that it's in such a big package.
Yeah. And we have the other valve cover gasket for the other bank.
Oh, I guess that's what the other one should have looked like.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is it for all the parts that we have. We will do another video when we fit them all, give the engine a good detailing. So for now, that's it. So if you're enjoying these videos so far and are keen to follow our journey and join us on all of our road trips, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe give that little notification button a click. We are on Instagram and Facebook as well. The links will be in the description. So yeah, please follow us along our journey.